Proterial. Proterial has brought out the full potential of materials and contributed to the development of various industries. Towards the ever-evolving future of railways. We provide technologies and products that are essential to the railway industry. We also contribute to making railways smarter. We provide materials that help make rolling stocks intelligent. For example, communication cables compatible with both European rolling stock fire safety standards and high-capacity, high-speed communication. Also, common mode choke cores that prevent malfunctioning of the controller by reducing high-frequency noise are making a great contribution to intelligent rolling stocks. We also offer new systems that aid labor-saving and maintenance-free operation. The fiber optic warning system for contact wire enables 24-hour wear detection in real time and is planned to be installed across the entire Tokaido Shinkansen line in Japan. We bring out the full potential of materials and heighten them towards the ever-evolving future of railways. With undying passion, a new pro in materials. Proterial.